What do we do now? Damn. Why is she so cold? Oh! God damn it. It's so cold. Hell yeah.
I just want to turn over. Why are we holding people in the water?
Because we're badass, that's why. Auto select its exposure. I'll let you drive the boat. I'll let you drive the boat.
I drive the boat. I drive the boat.
You drive the boat.
Should I get any pictures on my phone? If you need to puke again or spit, just spit it in this hay. What?
Thanks, love. We got birds to look at.
Birds to look at.
I like birds. Holy shit, birds. Bird perch at work.
I'm so excited to see these goddamn birds.
Look at these motherfucking birds. You dropped your phone, honey. Look at the birds.
These birds are so cute. Oh my lord.
Hell
Look at their
yeah.
beaks.
They're cute. They look like toucan.
Help save our coastal birds.
Honey, it's a pretty shell on the floor. Oh wait, it's broken. Why is it so thick? Look at that's a thick old boy.
Oh my god, it's not dead, is it?
I think that one's dead, honey.
No.
They're probably squeaking in unison because of the dead bird. It's that long lost Jimbo. His buddy dead as fuck. Oh shit, it is alive. Oh yeah, it's moving. I guess if somebody wanted the car bad enough, they could have just stole it. You didn't.
I know, I didn't think of that.
You didn't turn the car off, honey.
I didn't lock it either.
Oh my
I
god.
didn't even bring the keys.
What the hell, honey? And we got 40 more minutes for our goddamn sushi. What do we do now?
I thought he was gonna come in here.